Hello, it's John. Thank you for clicking on my channel. On my last video I was working on the Meteor on the exhaust, the D-Cat exhaust, and I've had quite a few questions about the lift that I use. So I promised everyone I'd make a little video about the lift, and it's called an Eazy Rizer, and I'll put a link below so you can have a look after I show you how I use the lift. This is the lift positioned under the bike, and you can get all kinds of attachments other than these wheel lifts, but I bought it with the wheel lifts. So you slide the stand underneath the bike with the prop stand up, lift the prop stand up and just drag the stand under the bike. These slide in and out, and I just line it up with the bike, with the wheels, ready to just slide the stand underneath the wheels. I always like to throw a cover over the tank when I'm moving the bike about. Pop the stand down onto there. Once the stand is pushed under the wheels, it's just a matter of lifting the bike up and tightening this clamp up. And just clamp that up. All it is like an exhaust clamp, and just nip it up. It's 22mm socket, and you need a powerful drill. It'll show you what kind of drill on the instructions, and I got this from a drill from B&Q, but it's an handy drill, 2-speed. It's clamped at the bottom, so I just pick it up and work on it. Reverse the drill. Just make sure the wheels are in the brackets okay, and that it's clamped up down there. Anyway, I hope this has been some interest to you, and it is a really handy stand, and it just stands in the corner of the garage when I'm not using it. So those people who were asking about it, I've told you what I know, and I'll put a link below for this Eazy Rizer company. I think they're Abingdon or somewhere like that, middle of the country somewhere, and they're a good company to deal with. So I hope it's been of some interest to you, and we'll see you on the next video.